This is another tour of the Easter Fractal. Okay, I'm down the rabbit hole. These are places that I like primarily because of the color sets, but I don't know, it's all very subjective, of course, what you like. This one's pretty fun because I kind of like these grays. Okay. This was the original default location. I'm gonna This one's fun. These colors are really over the top. I'm going to show one more thing that is very psychedelic. And here we go. That's fun. We'll stop it and then we'll do it manually. Boom.